guys, I would like to deliver the great news of the pop-up figurine of Ogayu and Korone. Yes, Ogayu and Korone pop-up figurine. Yes. So I realized that Korone's pop-up is actually different than previous one. So it's like double the hype. Like what? What? What?そのフィギュアはね、オーガイユとコロネ先輩のポップアップのフィギュアだね。欲しい。とても欲しいな。欲しい。オーガイユとコロネ、オーガコロのフィギュア欲しい。If I keep talking about this, I will say that I can actually I can going for hours telling you guys that yes, I want the figurine. I want the pop up figurine, like yes. Wait, I'm currently eating my dinner. ちょっと待って。